Okay, we are on our favorite ride. What is it?
Daddy, take
Ya yo estoy preparado para subir los pies.
Everybody's favorite ride, River Rapids. It's our second time on it. As you can tell, I'm wearing a little rain suit, just in case. Oliver, you ready? And we gotta go up a little further. Ooh, it looks nice at nighttime. So I do recommend wearing a poncho on this ride.
Los heises de estos no son de agua caliente. No tiene gira.
I know, it's okay.
Oh, that's a lion house.
Mira, un león, la piedra, un león. Ah, la forma, sí.
And we're doing some spinning. Not my favorite thing.
If you're gonna be on the
Don't mind getting wet.
front, you get wet the
I
most.
don't mind going fast on a roller coaster. But I really don't like spinning in circles.
El agua entra por aquí a todo.
What's wrong with that, Dad?
Yo no está la llama aquí, aquí me mojo.
There's Everest way up there. Oliver and I just rode that.
Daddy, we're in the
Oh
back.
no.
Hey, I'm in the back.
Oye, estoy de mal.
Hey, Dad,
No, esto es así, todo está bien. Sí. Ah, ya me mareé.
But is this an ant?
Ready to go down.
Ahora vamos a tirarle por una chorrera. Agárrate.
You're in the back.
Agárrate.
No,
Go down. Oh no, we're gonna get soaked, Oliver.
Why are we in the back?
Oh my god, my butt is soaked.
I'm actually drenched.
That was a lot.
In my shoes.
My shoes are soaked, my butt is soaked. No, no, no.
Look at us.
That's why it's his favorite.
Viste, mira abajo. Viste.
That was amazing. I love being at the boat.
La secamos cuando lleguemos al bloque.
Alright, we got very wet that time.
Otra vez.
My butt is soaked.
Me cago en la madre.
That's it. Kids, you happy? And still getting wet. Oh no, duck, duck.
I'm so like I love it. It says now how now my
Dark.
socks are so good.
Y aquí para el carro.
I do not care. I shall go on it again.
Hey, don't push the bottom.
No, Arabelle, we got other things.
Oh, mueve. Move. Hey, don't push.
Come on, guys. Oh, those elephants.
Ya se fue, se fue. Digo, espérate, estos son latinos ahora. We're back in Nicola. Lo malo es caer de espalda, tú no te mojaste, ¿no? Deja que tú cheques con mi espalda.
Alright, from River Rapids, that's a wrap. Say goodnight. Bye.